October's coming and that means it's almost spooky season. And it also means that it's time for our annual breast cancer awareness campaign. Introducing our pink shoe covers for the Covered for the Cause 2023 campaign. 5% of sales of our pink shoe covers will go directly to United in Pink. Post on social media with our pink shoe covers and hashtag Covered for the Cause, and we'll donate an additional $1 for every post. Choose original or waterproof and stand united with us. Let's get buzzing and show the world that we're united in pink.